I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open Kinemaster and create a new project with your desired aspect ratio. Import your video clip and confirm the timeline placement. Tap the audio track to select it and reveal audio tools that control noise. Choose the denoise tool from the audio menu to start background noise removal. Denoise applies a noise reduction algorithm and shows a strength slider for adjustment. This initial step prepares the clip so we can apply precise noise gate and EQ settings later in the process. With the audio clip selected, tap denoise and set an initial strength between 20% and 40%. Play a noisy section to hear the effect and reduce artifacts. If constant hum or room tone remains, enable the noise gate feature next. Set the gate threshold near -50 dB to remove low-level background sound without clipping speech. Adjust the attack and release values for natural transitions after you set the gate. Always preview several spots and tweak sliders in small increments until speech sounds clear. After noise reduction and gating, select the equalizer to fine-tune tonal balance. Apply a high-pass filter at 80 Hz to remove low-frequency rumble beneath voices. Reduce mid-frequency clutter by cutting around 300 to 600 Hz by 2 to 4 decibels. Add a slight presence boost near 3000 Hz for clearer speech without harshness. Preview the entire project on headphones to confirm clarity and artifacts are minimized. Export with the highest audio bitrate available and listen on multiple devices for final verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.